I'm Rebecca from Sin City Muscle Cars, and today we have something exciting at the Rotary Lifts booth at SEMA 2023. We have Kyle and Kaylee. Their father actually started the Mustang projects that we built for this year's SEMA, and unfortunately he passed away before he was able to finish the car, and this will be the first time they're seeing the car since we brought it into our shop. Kyle, what do you remember about your dad's car?
We got it when I was about 10 years old, so I don't know, 20 years ago, and it was green, just fastback, sitting in a shop out in Puyallup, Washington, and we bought it. Yeah, it kind of sat for a while, and he, took on other projects, and that went to the back burner. But he's always had a plan to finish her, but we never got around.
Did you ever work on the car with your dad?
Yeah, we mainly did the body work, paint, cure rust type of thing. It was just basic. I never got too deep to it, but.
Did you have a color planned or?
Yeah, he wanted white and blue. The movie Gone in 60 Seconds really inspired him to get a Shelby, so.
And Kaylee, what do you remember about the car?
I remember it being a project car for a long time, and I always called it a shell.
Well, it was definitely a shell when we got it. All right, are you guys ready to see the car?
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Okay. So we named her Remy. We thought that was kind of a fitting name for her. And that's the color combination we came up with, not knowing your dad. Jerry's gonna take you around the car and kind of show you, the bits that your dad kind of customized and some of the stuff that we added and what we've done with the car.
All right, let me show you around the car a little bit here. So we left a lot of the stuff that your dad did. He did some nice fabrications. We left the hood the way it was. We left also all the front clip the way it was. We actually shaved the drip rails out of here. We added another ground effects on it. And we left the scoops the way they were. Also the back, we left the way it was. He did the signature circle thing. I never seen that on a Mustang before, but we just left there. We thought it'd be perfect, just give that signature, So we left that the way it was. But he did a lot of welding. He closed up a lot of stuff, and he did some great work to it. And I know you brought us the 351 Windsor. Yeah, we decided we'll go something a little better. We did a 427 tunnel port. So the tunnel port was based on Shelby on the 66 Le Mans when he won that race.
Oh, yeah.
So this is one of the engines here. I've never seen another front clip like this before. He must have molded a lot of fiberglass. Yeah, we left everything exactly like your dad left it.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad to get it done for you guys. I promised you guys that it's gonna get done. It just took a few years, but we got it done for you.
Faster than we would ever do. Yeah.
So you think your dad would be okay
Yeah.
with what we did?
He's shedding tears right now.
Yeah.
He really is.
Great, I'm glad. I'm
Yeah.
glad.
It's an honor so much.
Thank you for
Thank you
coming.
so much for coming to see us.
Yeah, thank you for coming to SEMA.
So much for having
We're
us.
so happy to be able to share this with you.
Yeah.
We're so happy
Thank
that you
you.
guys are happy with the
Thank
car.